how to reset your password in Instagram if forgotten. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can reset your password in Instagram if forgotten, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to reset your password on Instagram if forgotten, open the Instagram application here. And now, after you launch the Instagram app, you're going to be able to see this sort of interface where it'll ask you to select an account by default. But you want to ignore that, tap on login to another account, and then over here tap on forgotten password option. Enter the username of the account that you actually forgot the password of. So let me go ahead and then do that as well. Once I enter the username, just tap the find account option, and as I tap on find account, you can see I have two options to reset my password. Either I verify my phone number or either I verify my email, depending upon what is comfortable for you. Because for me, I like SMS, so I'm going to select that and I'm going to tap the continue option. Then it is going to ask me to send a verification code to my phone, right? And I'm going to wait and see until I receive the verification code on my phone. If you don't receive it, just try to wait for a couple of seconds. After you've received the verification code, what happens is that you can simply enter them, tap the continue option, and after you tap the continue option, it will take you to the new page where you can simply enter the new password without having to remember the old password. And this way you can go ahead and then actually reset the Instagram password if forgotten. Hopefully this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.